Hello everyone, good morning. So we start with our session. So yesterday we have discussed about checkboxes related. I will show that one more time. After that, we'll see how we can work with them. Okay, I'm starting the Visual Studio. Just see if someone is not aware, then see this one. Okay. So anyone practiced yesterday's program? Anyone got the output? Yes, no? Wasim, Ajay, Asha, Sandhya. So only two, three people. Garima, you got the output. Very good. There, yeah, that's what. Okay. Okay. So if someone is facing issue, so just message me with a screenshot. We'll see, look into that. And if someone is facing issue with Visual Studio, so like see if you are unable to find those three windows there, just just show me that so that I will tell the solution. Or else try to install Visual Studio 2019. So it will solve your problem. Why? Because in 2022, Visual Studio, it is almost stopped the updates for this ASP.NET. Okay. So due to that, so we don't have much features in our 2022 Visual Studio version. Okay. So I'm just creating one web form now. Okay. So here, yeah, this one. Okay. Click on OK. So now what will happen, like just go to design and see, just checkbox here. So you can pin here so that it will be good. So what I will do, so first I will go with the design form. So I want a label and one text box. So label. So people see here, I'm just dragging and dropping one text box also. Okay. So after that, I'll just check like courses. Okay. So here, just take checkbox, right? Okay. So we'll take three checkboxes. Okay. So now after that, I want to go with one button now. Okay. Yes. This is the button. You can increase the size, decrease the size, whatever you want, you can do that. Fine. So now people see it. So this is what my label. So, and finally, what I want to do here is I want to take one label. Okay, so first I will check, I will show what is this checkbox related things. And after that, I will explain the concept. After that, we'll write the program. So for this program, we'll type from the beginning. From next time onwards, yeah, we can take that from our references. Okay, so see here. Now for checkbox, if you right click and if you check the properties here, so see what is the first one is the text. So which text you want to keep for the checkbox? Okay. So for example, C language, C sharp, .NET, anything. Okay. So I'm just keeping C sharp. That's it. It got reflected here. And now right click on it, properties. What will keep here? Java. Yep. So now right click on it, properties. What will keep here? PHP. That's it. Okay. So the main property of checkbox is checked. There is a property called checked. Where is that? Yeah, this one. See, this checked equal to true or false. When it will become true, whenever user checks the checkbox, it will become true. So by default, for everything, it will be false only. For example, if you want to make, see, for example, if you are, for example, if you are like regional language. For example, for Andhra people, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana people. So Telugu will be their regional language. Language is known by default. We can check the Telugu checkbox. For other states, we can check Hindi, English, or something. So these are all default languages. Everyone mostly aware of that, right? So in that case, what we will do simply will keep the checked equal to true. So we don't need to check that checkbox. Why? Because even know that, right? So in that case, we will go for checked equal to, we'll make it true. So, but anyway, I'm just going with this true false. So I just came to know like when I double click on this value is changing. Okay. So this is what. Okay. This is the most important. And ID people aware of it, right? Yesterday we have seen. So what is the importance of ID? Okay. So these are the important properties of checkbox, and we'll just see what we have written in our book. So, so now for people I mean, who already completed their C sharp, how is this ASP.NET? So is this better than C sharp or which is better? What do you feel? What do you feel, guys? So which is better, C sharp or ASP.NET? Which one you are feeling easy? There are all are difficult only, sir. That's what you will say. For now, ASP.NET, both are interesting. Okay, we'll see. So, if you people give me how many days? So by next Saturday, you will change your opinion. I don't tell that what is that opinion, but you will. So when I ask this question, you people will tell something. Okay. So this is the theory of this checkbox. So what we have mentioned, this is used to select more than one item at a time. Is that correct? Yes, right. So yesterday I have shown you guys like we can select more than one item at a time. Properties, ID, by default, ID is the most important thing. Text and checked equal to what? True and false. So these are the important properties of checkbox. Just note down this one. Just note down this one. I will give, we'll see one beautiful example for that one. Okay. Yeah. Anyone have any questions on checkbox? Yes, no? Yeah, no doubt. So 7:30 to 9, my one of my C sharp batch will start from Thursday. So if someone want to join C sharp, or that will be like offline and like that is like classroom and also online session. If someone is interested or someone did not completed the C sharp or something, you can join there. Uh, that will start from next Thursday. The date is May 4, I think. May 4. Done with that? Can I go to the program? Yes, no? Yep. So it's done, right? Okay, then I'm moving to the program now. Yeah, okay. So see, now we kept like this and right click on it, and we can change the properties and we can change the name for this label also. So the text is what I will keep output again, output. Okay, so this one, what will select like username. Okay, username, done. So now if I want to write the C sharp code or C sharp logic, what I need to do? Double click on button, and this will be the code we'll write. So see, my concept here is point one. Step one is when username entered in text box one. Okay. Okay. After that, user needs to select courses. Okay. Based on selection, it should display the values. Okay. So based on selection, whenever user clicks on submit button, it should show, for example, if he has two courses, it should display two courses. If he selects three courses, it should display three courses like that. Okay, so what to do that? So this is the problem only. I'm just taking from here. I will explain. Okay. So are you guys able to hear me? Okay. So what I'm doing here, the first one is I'm just keeping one username. First thing. So now, so text box one dot text. So that means whatever the username we entered here. So you selected. So see, initially, so here we are going with the nested if condition. So what is nested if? Just tell me now. What is nested if? If inside if. Wrong. Okay. So now, so people are confident about if condition related, or can I explain for 5 minutes if condition? And other people are happily sleeping, right? Akshay, Usharani, very good. Ajay, correct, 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 Sandhya. Whatever you told, that is correct. Okay. Durga Lakshmi, Presh. Okay. So I will just explain this if condition for 2 minutes. Okay. Just see. So basically, here we have simple if else, nested if. Okay. What will happen here is if condition. Here it is statements. So now what will happen here? If this condition is true, then it will execute the statements. Otherwise, it will come out of the if block. So what will happen here? So if the condition is true, then only it will execute this block. Otherwise, it will come out the if block. But what will happen if the condition is false? We don't care about that. So what will happen here? If the condition is true, then only it will execute this block. Otherwise, it will come out of the if block. Okay. So that is fine. Now, for example, if you want to handle the false scenario also, then simple. We have if else. So here again statements. So what will happen here? The condition is true, it will execute this if block. Otherwise, it it don't care about what is the other condition, what is happening there, what is the statements we are printing. Okay, so it don't care about that one. Simply whatever there in else block, it will print that. That's it. Okay, you got it. So this is what if else. So if the condition is true, then fine. Otherwise, it will it will go to else block. Got it? Now Similarly, we'll go for else if. What is that? Else if. Can someone tell me what is else if? So I will unmute someone and I will ask. Sagar.
Yeah, hello, sir. Good morning.
Yes, Sagar. Good morning.
Yeah. LCB nothing but sir, if condition is not true, then we will be in else it's
Okay. What else? The difference? See, if I have three condition, okay, three are
yeah.
also right. So three are also satisfied. So now which one it will execute?
Last one, sir. Hello.
Last one. Okay. So we'll see. So the right answer people will get chocolate. So I don't know. We'll get that. Anusha. Now you tell me. Yes. If you don't know, just unmute yourself and I don't know, sir. No problem. So
Yeah, sir.
yeah, madam. Tell me.
If condition is satisfied,
Hmm.
the condition is executed, or else it went to else condition.
No, madam. I'm asking for else if. You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. I will explain, Anusha. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So we'll go next. Someone raise your hand. I will ask them. Yeah, someone raised. Nice. Wasim. Yeah, Wasim. Yeah, Wasim. Good. Wasim, your voice is so low. So can you make it loud? Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. So if I have three conditions now, Wasim, three are also correct. Now, which one will I execute? Okay. Okay. Yeah, Wasim. Yeah, Wasim, I will tell. Okay. So we'll see. Yeah, you can mute yourself. So who is the next then? So Teja. Teja. I don't know. Yeah. You're unable to unmute or unable to speak. What happened? Okay. You don't know or you are not aware how to mute or you don't want to speak. Okay. So we'll explain now. Wasim, whatever you told, whatever you said, that is correct. Okay. So see here. So how this will mean, see, for example, if condition is true, then it will execute. If you want to check one more condition now, we'll go for else if condition. Okay, and then it will execute. If you want to check one more condition, again else if condition, and finally else block will be there. Now here in this case, what will happen, like people see here, if the condition is true at first step, it won't care about all other conditions. It don't even check those things. It will simply ignore them. If this condition is failed and the second one is true, then it will execute this one and it will forget about all these things. Okay, so whenever the condition got satisfied at first point, wherever the first point, there only it will execute and it will return the result. That is what else if. So got it now? Anyone want me to explain again? Please confirm. Yeah, Anusha, are you clear now? You got the difference now? Anusha? So Anusha, you're unable to type. What happened? So yep. Else if, madam. Now I will explain about nested if. Okay. So now finally nested if. What is nested if? For example, you want to check the condition for 10 times. If the condition 1 is true, I want to print. If condition 2 is true, I want to print. If condition 3 is true, I want to print. If condition 4 is true, I want to print. Then we'll go for nested if. Okay. So here if condition statements. Similarly, if condition statement, and finally if one more condition statement. So here in this case, what will happen, like, if we execute 10 conditions also, if those satisfies, all the conditions will be executed. Okay, got it? So this is what nested if. Got it now? So Garima, you got it now? Yes, tell me. Yes, Garima, tell me. What is the question? Yeah, I just unmuted you. You can ask me.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So suppose there is a condition that whether the user is entering yes or no. So if condition will be checked yes or no. Okay. In case he selects yes, if condition is yes, then in the if loop, again, we have to check two more conditions. I'm talking about in the first loop, first if condition, if the first if condition is true, inside that, again, we have to check two other conditions. So what will that be called?
So we can call it as a nested only, but see, that is conditional based. So if that is true, then only we are going to second. If that is true, go to third. If that is true, we are going to fourth. Here it is not depending upon one condition and other condition. There is no relation between this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one, right? So that is
Yes,
different
yes.
scenario. And yeah, that is different scenario. This is different scenario, but yes, we can call that one also nested only. But I can so mostly I prefer I prefer to call that one as, conditional based. Why? Because see, if one condition is true, then only it will enter into that block. Otherwise, if the condition is false, there only it will come out of the block, right?
Yes, but there can be situations, sir, where if the condition is true, then again, like we do surveys and all, there
Yeah,
we mostly
100%.
get the, you know, yeah.
In real time, in real time, definitely we will go with that. Like, if we are authenticating some user, if the user is having valid permissions, then we will go into particular scenario. Again, there
Yes.
may be some chances of, yeah. So I'm not saying we cannot use that, but
Mhm,
so when it comes to nested if, so we need to
mhm.
check multiple conditions at a time. That's what the concept of nested.
So both the cases will be called nested if, right, sir?
Correct.
Okay, okay, that's all I wanted to know. Thank you, sir.
So fine. So this is what, yeah, got the difference, right? What is the difference between else if, and nested if? Anyone have any questions? You want me to explain again? Clear. Okay. So then now why I explained this nested if and all means, so even some of our students are clear, but still why I explained. So simple. So here we have used this nested if condition, actually nested if pattern. So if someone is not aware of that, then they cannot understand this program. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, so people see here. So here initially I kept courses as text box one dot text. For example, text box one dot text I selected as Naresh IT. Just think like that. Naresh IT. Now what will happen? Naresh IT, you selected. Okay, you selected space. That's it. This is what this is what will come from this courses now. Now, checkbox one dot checked equal to true. Then what is this mean? That means first checkbox got checked. What is the value of first checkbox here? C sharp. Now what will happen? Tell me. If it got checked, then the output will become like here. So Naresh IT, you selected what? C sharp. And I'm appending one comma here due to that. So okay, so here what will happen? Okay, so see here. Okay, so now you have selected what? This one will come. Okay, C sharp, comma, space. Now what will happen? So for example, what will happen if user select the second checkbox also? Now we definitely needs to consider that one also selected, right? So now what will be the output? C sharp, comma, what is the second checkbox? It's Java, right? And comma. And finally, if user select the third checkbox also, then what will happen? See, finally, what is that? Last one, PHP. That's it. So, and finally, in the output, what I'm printing, someone asked me, sir, why courses equal to courses plus? Because we have already some default value here, and we need to update that courses value with the checkbox values. That's the reason we are keeping like that. For example, if user is lazy like me, because I'm copy pasting. So that means if user doesn't select anything, okay, checkbox 1 is false, checkbox 2 is false, checkbox 3 is false, then what will happen? So Naresh IT, please select one course. Okay, this is what the program. So people got it now. Any questions? Yes, no, please tell me. Are you guys clear? Can I explain again? Okay, can we see the output now? Okay, so I'm just running my output. Let's see. See, everyone should understood. So if you people don't understand, just message that, sir, can you explain again? Then I'm ready to explain one more time, 2 times, 3 times, 100 times also we'll go and we'll explain. Okay, people don't need to think like what other people will think. So see, you don't need to think about what other people are thinking about you or something. So you joined here for getting a job or for improving your skills in your .NET. So you don't need to think about other people. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so we got it here. See, username same. I will keep Naresh IT. Okay, now what I will do, I will select C#. Now click on button. What happened? Naresh IT, you selected C#. Now select Java. It also came. Now select PHP. This one also came. Now what I will do here is, I will remove PHP. See, that got removed. Remove C#. That got removed. Remove Java. Now what we'll get? Please select one course. Got it? So this is what the output. Yes. Any questions, or anyone want me to explain one more time? Are you guys clear? So please confirm. So already some people confirmed. And what about other people? Are you guys clear with that? Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Understood. Okay. Yes. Okay. So Suhashini, Sneha, Manikanta, Gopi. So are you guys clear with this one? Okay, Krishna, very good. Sagar, Smita, Shivraj, Akshay. Okay, fine. So then we'll go for the program. So what we will do first. So if people needs to design thing. So first design this one. Okay. After that, double click on button. After that, double click on button, and you people need to write the C# code. Okay. First now design. Design same like this. Okay. Double click on button and write the following code. This one. For what? Home? HTML in this ASP.NET. I don't know. Why this is HTML? This is C#, right? Yeah, we can apply. We can apply all the things. We can apply CSS. So I'm just telling the concepts wise. I'm telling if you want some beautification, you can happily do that home. Okay. If you write label.text, then what will happen? So where do you want to print the output? Here, right? So here, what is this one? What is this one? What is this one? So these are all labels only, right? So that's the reason. So we need to go to right click on output, label, properties. What is the ID here? Label. That is the reason we are writing like that. Okay. Yes. Done with the program, everyone. Yes. No. Please tell me confirm. Only Krishna completed. What about others? Okay. Okay, fine then. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet again Monday. Happy. So I'm not sure about Monday whether we have holiday or not. I will confirm in the group. So those who did not join the group, please join for that. So if you don't have link or something, just message me. I will share that link or I will add you to the group. Okay, you can join that. So I will share the book today and tomorrow. So C-sharp also I will share. Okay, so thanks all for joining. We'll meet again Monday or Tuesday. So happy weekend.